Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. Well, in today's video, we are back again with another ROM review. Yes, that is right. We are going to review the latest Project Arcana update. It is 5.0 and it's called Eclair. So let's begin the review. As we all know that Project Arcana is filled with a lot of customization, which is really interesting and which is very nice. And with this update, they don't disappoint us. They have added some more useful customization, and let's see what the ROM offers us. First of all, as you can see, the quick settings has been modded, and we can see, or we can select custom clocks for quick settings. And coming to the settings page, as you can see, the settings page user interface has been changed, and as you can see from here, this hello message, it will display random hello messages as you launch the application. Okay, let's try again. Right, yeah, there you are. Hi, mistakes are always part of one's life. Well, that is amazing, isn't it? And there is a top card like thing which says owner, and let's tap on it, and once you tap on it and make it multiple users and type in a random name, and it will display the random name. If you want to take add a custom photo, definitely you can do that here too. So basically the user interface for Project Arcana is really amazing. Well, first of all, I just want to let you know a bug which I have faced. After the first boot, I had some issues with the launcher, so I had to use the latest AOSPA Magisk launcher module. It can be an issue with the way that I have flashed the ROM or something like that. I don't know. I do not know whether it is a ROM side bug or not. So, not complaining about it. Before we proceed further with the review, I just want to let you know that I'm using the GApps version of the ROM, and I've used JavaSyn's EEA decrypted vendor for booting the ROM. I will add the details of the vendor that I've used to boot this particular ROM in the description below. So if you're interested, you can use that vendor or use the vendor which you can boot the ROM. It's not an issue. First of all, even though it's a GApps ROM, still you can see that it is using the Octavie dialer, Octavie Oxygen dialer. So that's really great. So that's about the dialer. And once you come to the messages, you can see that it is using the Google messages, not the AOSP messages. And if you want to pass the Magisk hide, make sure you enable the hide in Magisk and check the safety net. It will give you the pass simple. Yeah, there you are. Fine. So that's fine. Now if you want to use the banking applications, make sure you hide the Magisk better, like renaming it and stuff like that. So that you must know already. Okay, fine. So let's go to the settings page. The ROM is not yet the ROM is not bloated with a lot of GApps, but you get some nice GApps which can be useful. Now to begin with the customization, there is a TrustDINS layer. That is the section where Arcana is offering you the customization. So basically the first settings that you will have is the battery settings, and you can arrange the battery into different layouts. Couple of things are available, circle, text and stuff like that. If you want to enable the battery bar, definitely you can do that. And second one is carrier label. I don't like carrier label, so let us disable it. Why should we use it? Okay. Then the next one is clock and date. You can arrange the date position, clock and date position. Then status bar items, enable whatever icon that you need to see in the status bar. And traffic indicators, definitely you will get some choices for traffic indicators, and you can even arrange the network speed indicator font size. That is the customization that is available to you. The last one is TrustDINS chest. If you want to enable the beautiful Arcana logo or disable it, you can do that from here. Let's enable it. And if you wish to see the colored status bar icon instead of the traditional gray icons, you can do that. And if you don't want to see the data disabled icon, there you are, you get it. And if you want to see the wall light icon, I really hate wall light icons, so let us disable it. That is an option here, but no customization. Nothing to complain or nothing to worry about it if you don't like to see the wall light icon. So then finally you will get the gestures like double tap to sleep on status bar to put your device into sleep. Well, you have the side button, so you don't need to do that. And if you are interested in it, definitely you can do that. And if you want to hide the bloody green dot for the access indicator and mic access indicator, there is an option too in the Trust Din's chest. So that is about the first customization. And second one is quick settings panel. It begins with the notification. If you want to see how many notifications you get or in a particular app, definitely there is an option for you to enable the show notification count. I mean, why the hell do we need to do that? No, I'm just joking. So there is an option for that. If you want to have a kill app button to chop your apps, there is an option. And if you don't want to see the bloody annoying notifications, there is an option too. And if you want to have some vibrations upon connecting your call, somebody is waiting for you to answer while you are on a call and vibrate or disconnect, well, these are something which is useful if you have a girlfriend or something like that. So if she's calling you, yeah, you get some vibrations. That's it. Just joking. Then quick settings, and you will get quick settings like if you want to vibrate on touch, yeah, definitely there is an option for you for that. And you will get some customizations for the quick settings clock. As you can see over here, you get some options AOSP clock, which means you will get the stock clock layout for the quick settings panel. So you get some customization for the quick settings clock and stuff like that. So the final thing is the brightness slider, where you want your bloody brightness slider to be displayed on top, on bottom, or wherever you want. And if you want to enable and hide the adaptive brightness button, there is an option too. And finally you get an option to customize the animation tile, which means how upon pressing the quick settings tile, what it has to do. I mean, if it has to flip, rotate or something like that, it's going to lag. So basically keep it turned off. Then finally the navigation bar, and you can customize the navigation bar layout if you want to and stuff like that, and use navigation bar to navigate across the device. So the final thing is lock screen shortcut and lock screen user interface, and here they have added some customization too. You can change the lock screen clock somewhere. Let me try to find it, maybe in the final in the systems tab, I guess. Then you get Arcana game space. So if you are a gamer, definitely you can play some games and enable the game space. I don't know what it is going to do because I don't normally play games. And if you want to have your battery charging light, well, we don't have a battery charging light on Poco, so nothing to worry about that. Finally the buttons and customization. So basically under customization you will get the monetization. If you want to use the custom colors instead of your bloody wallpaper color, you can do that from here. Then you will get some font choices, pretty much nice font choices you have over here. Then icon packs, then signal icon style. If you want to change the signal icon style, definitely you can do that. Wi-Fi icon style and icon shapes. And then comes here the lock screen clock picker. If you want to enable custom clocks onto your lock screen, definitely you can do that, and you get some choices over here. And if you want to adjust the status bar padding without any magic modules, you can certainly do that. Adjust the status bar padding from here. As you can see on top, it is changing. So that's really great, isn't it? Well, this is about the Project Arcana's latest update. And for this Project Arcana ROM, I have used the latest Fury, not the latest Fury Prof kernel 4.19.227 kernel I'm using. And as you can see, the version is Eclair 5.0 device use, and it is the official release from our friend Don Joaquin. Well, to talk about the ROM is really great and it's really fantastic to use, and it offers you quite a lot of customization in terms of, and it has also a revamped system user interface too. So if you want to use an Android 12 ROM with different customization or user interface layout, then definitely you can try Project Arcana. I just want to show you a couple more features, like let me go to settings and let me go to battery, and there are two options like Arcana Idle Manager. So it's telling that stop all necessary non-essential background process when the device is idle, and kill Google services. I mean, these two options, what I believe that it is going to give you more battery life. So Arcana is offering you two functions which is quite useful and which can actually give you more screen on time or more battery capacity, battery life from charging to charging. So really the ROM is quite practical, and the maintainer of the ROM and the developer of the ROM has done a wonderful job to make the ROM ultra smooth, ultra stable, and it's a nice ROM. If you want to use it, definitely you can use it. What's my verdict? Likewise, I have said, if you want to use a different version of Android 12 with quite a lot of customization and some user interface modifications, definitely you can try Project Arcana, and that's my verdict about the ROM. Well, can I use it for gaming? I don't know. I do not know. I mean, there isn't any concept of gaming ROM yet. No ROMs has been made specifically for gaming purposes. So I suggest you may have to change the device if you want to have ultra smooth gaming experience. And to be honest with you, I don't play games. So this is my review about Project Arcana. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and many thanks for watching my video. Thank you.